Happy Saturday, everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a sublimated bleached shirt just like this one. So to do this distressed sublimated bleached look, you're going to need a soft spin Gildan shirt. Well, I guess it doesn't have to be Gildan, but 65% polyester, 35% cotton. When sublimating, your image will not work if it's just 100% cotton. It won't stick. It has to be poly so that ink presses in there. So go ahead and print out your design. Make sure it's mirrored. I have mine right here. And just do some measurements on your shirt as to where you want to put it. So kind of try to find the middle and place it this way. Tape it down with heat resistant tape. Once you have that tape down, make sure your machine is set on 350 degrees. Mine's still heating up a little bit, and you're going to want to press it for a minute. Now, normally on a white shirt, I would want to press it at 400 degrees. However, since this is like a dark heathered gray, I wanted to press it a little bit less, just because I didn't want to scorch the shirt. And you can scorch a shirt if it still has all that cotton in there. Oh, and plus it's only 65% poly. Usually the shirts that I make are 100% poly, but like I said, you could totally scorch the shirt having that much cotton in there if you're doing it at such a high temperature. So 350 degrees for 60 seconds. Make sure you have a piece of butcher paper over top, and then inside your shirt, so the image does not transfer to the other side or inside of your shirt, or there's no ghosting effect or anything like that. So go ahead and do that. Let it sit at medium pressure for a minute. Okay, so this is how it looks after it is all pressed, and it is like cool looking. However, once we bleach it, it's going to look even cooler. So I'm excited to show you. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is just go ahead and put a plastic garbage bag in between the layers here, and make sure it's all the way up, all the way through the sleeves. I just took the ends and kind of put both ends through the sleeves, and this just prevents it from bleaching through onto the back side. And I mean, some people do like that look, and that's cool and fine if you do, but this is just what I prefer. So once you do that, you can go ahead and get your spray bottle, and I just have it in this old spray bottle here, and it's just 100% bleach. It's not diluted or anything like that. And then you can go ahead and just start spritzing. And you want to make sure you soak it really well, and kind of do like a fun little square pattern. Make sure you get on the design. It's not going to ruin the design at all, so don't worry about that, but make sure it is really well saturated. And you can kind of see it. Oh, there's a bug that got on it. You can kind of see it changing already. And I guess just leave it out for 10-15 minutes, and I'll show you what it looks like at that point. It's kind of cool. You can kind of see it changing within the video already. Yeah, I'll check back in about 10 minutes. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes now, and this is what it looks like. I actually did two, so I'll show you both of them. I really like how it turned out. You can see how vibrant that design is now. So now I'm going to go ahead and wash it on cold in my washer with some soap, and I'll show you exactly what it looks like when it's done. All right, so it just got done. This is how it looks. I love how bright and vibrant this turned out, even being on a gray shirt. If you go rewind the video a little bit, you can see how dark it was right after it was, right after it was pressed. So the bleach really brings out the cool color. You can see the little splatters down here. Yeah, super cute. I forgot if I mentioned this in the last part or not. Make sure you throw this in the washer after you bleach with a little bit of soap on cold, gentle cycle, and let it dry, and it is done.